Hello, good morning, children. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We have been discussing the story The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom, right? Let us continue. In the previous session, the lesson was stopped at this paragraph. Once I will read it, listen. Meanwhile, the envious neighbor peeped in at the window and the boiled beans were being ground. While the old man was preparing bean sauce by using the hand mill, at that time the envious old lady, the jealous lady, observed through the window. She exclaimed that, "Goody me!" cried the old hag. Here, the envious old woman was described as hag. Hag means evil old lady. As she saw each dripping of sauce turning into yellow gold, until in a few minutes the tub under the mill was full of shining mass of gold. She observed that within few minutes the beans were turning into yellow gold. It was turning into mass of shining gold. Let us continue. So the old couple were rich again. At first, the dog made the old man to find the treasure in the ground. It was made rich. Second time, the hand mill and the bowl made them rich. The next day, the stingy means one who is unwilling to give or donate, who is not generous, opposite to kind or generous. The next day, the stingy and wicked neighbor came and borrowed the mortar and magic mill. The next day, the evil, jealous neighbors came to the good old couple and requested them to give the hand mill and the mortar. It was not ordinary, it was magic. They filled one with boiled rice and the other with beans. After carrying the hand mill and the mortar, the jealous neighbor filled it with rice and beans. Then the old man began to pound, the woman to grind. Right? They took it and they tried to get gold by using rice and beans. The old man started to hit the rice, and the old lady was putting beans in the mill. But at the first blow and turn, the pastry and sauce turned into a foul mass of worms. At the first strike itself, the rice and the beans were turning into bad smell. Foul means unpleasant or uncomfortable smell. That rice pastry and the beans were turning into foul worms, right? Still more angry at this, they chopped the mill into pieces to use as firewood. They got angry at those tools and they broke them, and they wanted to burn them as their firewood. This is the end of the first episode. We have some comprehensive questions. Comprehension check. First question: why did the neighbors kill the dog? They were jealous of the rich, kind couple, and they wanted to get the richness or the gold coins with the help of the dog, but the dog made them to get the dead kitten. So they were angry. Here it is the answer. The greedy neighbors heard about the good luck brought to the couple by the dog. They got jealous. They coaxed the dog into their garden in the hope that he would find a buried treasure for them. The dog scratched and pawed the ground under the pine tree. Immediately they started digging the ground, but in vain. There they found nothing but a dead kitten. So they became furious at the dog. They beat him to death and plunged him into the hole. This is the answer for the first question. Next we have the MCQs. Mark the right item. Here is the question. The old farmer and his wife loved the dog. Option A, because it helped them in their day-to-day life or day-to-day work, as if it was their own baby, as they were kind to all living beings. The correct answer is B, as if it was their own baby. They didn't have any children, so they treated it as their own child. The correct answer is the old farmer and his wife loved the dog as if it was their own baby. Option B is the correct. Second one, when the old couple became rich, they option gave the dog better food, invited their greedy neighbors to a feast, lived comfortably, and were generous towards their poor neighbors. The correct answer is option C. When the old couple became rich, they lived comfortably and were generous towards their poor neighbors. They were very kind and generous to the old poor neighbors. Next one. The greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make dash. Option A, rice pastry and bean sauce. Second one, magic ash to win rewards, a pile of gold. The correct answer is the greedy couple borrowed the mill and the mortar to make a pile of gold. Means they wanted to get gold from those tools. Right? These are the question answers of the first episode of the story, The Ashes That Made Trees Bloom. Read these question answers. We will continue the second episode in the next session. Thank you. Have